How do you differentiate your channel from all the other channels in your niche? What sets your channel apart from all the other channels? I'm going to show you 8 ways to stand out and get seen on YouTube in 2020. You'll learn how to target the right audience so you won't waste time creating videos that people are not interested in. You'll learn how to differentiate your channel from your competitors. You'll learn how to reduce your competition so it'll be easier to rank your videos on YouTube. You'll learn how to leverage other platforms besides YouTube to reach a wider audience. You'll learn how to collaborate with other channels in your niche so your content gets seen by different audiences. You'll learn how to look for traffic patterns on your channel so you can double down on what's currently working. You'll learn how to use paid ads so you can quickly get in front of a different audience. Click the link in the description below this video to get my secret formula for getting your video to rank and convert viewers into subscribers. Hi, my name's Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload new content. Number 1, know your target audience. If you don't know your audience, you'll have no audience. Think about your ideal subscriber. What are their problems? What are their struggles? What value can you provide to them? What are some of their most frequently asked questions? Instead of giving a general answer like all people on the internet, try to drill down several levels to get more details. The more you know about your ideal subscriber, the easier it is to create the right content for them. You might get comments like, "I was just thinking of that. You read my mind." I asked the members of my Facebook group, what's the main factor that makes you watch content from my channel instead of my competitors? Chris Schell says, the wide variety of topics and the different angles you take on topics. I can usually find what I need to know from you, so why go anywhere else? It's especially easy now you're putting a year it was published. Clearly Seen says, I like your videos because you give it honest advice on how to get your YouTube channel to grow, giving all the real working methods away for free. Bastian Baker says, for a few reasons, but mainly the way you explain things so everybody can understand and follow up step by step. Also, voice is important for me. And Sophia says, I know you care. When you create your video, imagine you're having a conversation with your ideal subscriber. Number 2, create a unique selling proposition, or what's commonly called a USP. What makes your channel different from your competitors' channels? Here are some well-known examples of unique value propositions. Uber has a tagline, get there, the day belongs to you. Slack is where work happens. MailChimp, build your brand, sell your stuff. Netflix, see what's next. Watch anywhere, cancel anytime. Dollar Shave Club has what you need to look, feel, and smell your best. Here's some examples of unique value propositions from members of my Facebook group. Gord Eisman, Learn, Apply, Transform. Baker Feeling Productions Travel Channel, Best Places to Travel. House of Hacks, Projects, How-Tos, Reviews. Lisa Kappan Quilts, One Stitch at a Time. Drost Video, Grow your audience with video. Let me know in the comments below what the USP or tagline is for your own channel. Number 3, visual branding. Your visual branding elements helps your channel stand out from your competitors. Your channel banner is the first thing people see when they arrive on your channel homepage. Make sure it clearly identifies the content on your channel. Try to summarize the content of your channel in a tagline. Add a channel trailer that outlines the benefits of subscribing to your channel. Write a description on your About page that tells viewers what to expect by watching your content. Emphasize the benefits by telling them what's in it for them. If you are your own target market, then ask yourself, what's in it for me? Add a subscribe watermark to the bottom right of all the videos on your channel so it'll be easier for your viewers to subscribe while watching your videos. Design unique thumbnails that win the click. Make sure the design stands out from your competitors' channels so viewers can identify the thumbnail belongs to your channel. Add sections to your channel homepage containing playlists so viewers can take a deeper dive into your content when they visit your homepage. Choose a unique channel name that is different from your competitors. After you've done that, get a custom URL that synchronizes with all your social media sites. Number 4, reduce the competition. If you're in a crowded niche, it'll be much harder to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube. If you want to stop wasting time creating videos that don't rank on YouTube, look for less competitive keywords. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to find less competitive keywords. When optimizing your videos for the search engines and for viewers, make sure you create a compelling video title and attractive thumbnails. Click the link in the description to get my secret formula for getting your video to rank and convert viewers into subscribers. Number 5, repurpose your video content. Instead of relying on traffic from YouTube, leverage other social media platforms. These include Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. It exposes your content to other communities online. Build your own website or blog so you can post your content and embed your video there. This will help your content to be discovered in Google Search, which is the largest search engine. You can also create your own community like a Facebook group. If you're not currently a member of my Facebook group, Tube Video Bootcamp, Click the link in the description below this video. You'll be able to get your questions answered and interact with like-minded people. Go live on YouTube. Going live on YouTube enables you to interact personally with subscribers and viewers in real time. It enables you to share content that you wouldn't normally share in regular videos. Create a podcast by downloading the audio file from your YouTube video. You can then upload it to iTunes and other podcast sharing sites to expose your content to a different audience. Click the link below for 10 ways to repurpose your video content. Number 6, collaborate with other people in your niche. The great benefit of collaborating with other people in your niche is that you expose your content to their audience and their content to your audience. When you approach other creators in your niche about doing a collaboration, make sure you offer value. Don't just say I want to collaborate with you and don't offer any benefits for the collaboration. Number 7, look for patterns in YouTube analytics. Log into YouTube Studio and identify the top 10 videos that are bringing the most traffic to your channel. Drill down into the traffic sources for each video so you know where the traffic is coming from. Identify the reasons why that specific video got a lot of traffic. Does it have a high click-through rate, high audience retention, high average view duration, high average percentage viewed? Was it a short video or a long video? Look at the type of videos that got the most traffic in the last 28 days or 90 days. Once you identified similar patterns, create more of those types of videos. Number 8, create a video ads campaign. Paid video ads is a great way to steal some of the traffic from your competitors and quickly build your own email list. You simply set up a video ads campaign inside Google AdWords and target the video URLs of your competitors. When a viewer watches one of your competitors' videos, your video ad will play before their video as long as their channel is monetized. That's pretty cool. I'll have to try that. Click the link below if you want to learn how to master video ads on Google. Let me ask you a question. What makes your channel stand out from your competitors? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to get my secret formula for getting your video to rank on YouTube and convert more viewers into subscribers, watch the next video. You'll learn how to create compelling titles that'll rank your videos and attract more traffic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.